largest that I'm doing. We have the mandate now. It's for 2,400 unit in Canada.
And do you work only like Florida, Canada, or do you work?
Well, so I do. So the cool thing is that I know enough people. I have enough contacts and things going on in Canada, so I can do the business remotely.
Oh, that's
And now
perfect.
I'm here full time. I still have a lot of things going on in Canada, and we're putting things together to be able to. I think in 2 years, maybe 1.5, 2 years, we think we're going to be able to deliver turnkey industrial building for assembly line for companies that would want to move their manufacturing to Mexico.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
So I
That's
think
really
in
nice.
2 years, my friend Kevin is doing a project now and then we believe that we can be integrated vertically from the development of the land. We have the financing in place. We have contacts to do the construction. And then the assembly line, we have the guy that we're doing, my friend is doing the development now. That guy has been doing assembly line for all of his life, 25 years.
Wow.
And yeah, we think we can deliver a turnkey product to businesses that want to move their manufacturing from Asia to Mexico.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
You know, it's amazing how you see global, like how we can become so global, like in real estate. Like how can you do business nowadays like that? Because before it was more challenging.
It is.
Now you can, be here. And that's one of the things that I like our company, that we can, it's easier for us to be connected with agents all over the world.
Well, it's pretty amazing though, because just today my partner was in the Bahamas with his dad. They're looking at residency over there. We were talking to one of another client he's on vacation in Mexico, and the other one, we had one in Montreal in the Bahamas. I'm here. And then we can do everything over Zoom, and
It's perfect.
it's wild.
And that's why I think that real estate is becoming global right now. Like we can sell anywhere in the world, which is amazing.
Yeah.
Like, of course, you need partners in every single place, but I do believe in working together.
But if you have a large enough network,
Which is
it becomes really interesting to kind of try to piece the things to piece everyone together.
Yes. And I think working together with people is
Better.
a lot better. Like sometimes some people can become very greedy and they want everything for them. And I think you can do a lot more when you work with people.
Yeah, the Zoom thing is actually the video conference. They're actually quite amazing. This technology that we can
Yes.
work with, because I never did that before COVID, before 2020. I was meeting everyone in person. The year before, I had met almost 260 buyers that year.
Yes.
Wow. That's a lot of people to go see.
A lot.
That's a lot of 1 hour.
A lot.
Now.
A lot of driving. A lot of
And
conversations.
then that year I had, I think, something 15, 20 listing also. So those appointments as well. And the personal stuff. And then COVID happened. And then we had to switch everything virtually. And the crazy thing that I can still almost not believe that it happened. But this is the testimony of how good the video conference are, is that I did not see any change on my closing ratios for my contract.
Amazing.
No change at all, no substantial
Amazing.
change. So it was basically the same, and then I started to use it more, and then now I'm able to do all of my business remotely almost.
Well, and actually it was great because before pandemic, like people needed to come for closing, notaries. Like after pandemic, they're allowed, like things change in Florida at least. They were able to sign documents with a Zoom notary.
Yeah.
Then nobody needed to travel anymore, which it was a big advance.
Well, those are huge gains in productivity.
Yes, because for a lot of people, it make it easier because they say, oh, I cannot travel, then I just buy the property and I still will be able to continue my transaction.
Yeah.
Then we have, it was a tough time, but I think we advanced technologically and immensely in many ways.
How do you see the job changing with AI, with everything that's going on in the advancement in technology right now? How do you think that's going to affect us?
I think it's going to affect us because then but I think it will be for good.
I think so as
I
well.
think if we know how to take advantage of it, I think it's going to give us a lot more tools to be able to work and be more productive and be able to connect more and emerge markets in many different ways. Honestly, I'm trying to be ahead of the game. I do remember back in the 2010 when the videos started. Remember people started doing YouTube videos? I think that was 2010 or not?
I don't know. Around that
Somewhere
time, maybe,
around there that become popular.